Hey everyone, we're back here again. We're doing the Loveland section of the Buckeye Trail. We're actually in Loveland, Ohio.
We're going to hike a few days this weekend and hopefully try to finish off this section today and move into the Caesar Creek section.
Yep, hoping to get about 9 miles done today. A little chilly, but not too bad. It was snowing earlier this week, so we'll take this.
Yep.
So at the beginning of the video, I mentioned how we're doing the Loveland section. And for those of you who don't know, the Buckeye Trail is actually split up into 26 different sections. And they can range anywhere from like 30 to 60 or 70 miles. So it's a good way to kind of break the whole trail up into sections. And the reason they call it the Loveland section is they just pick the name of an interesting town or city or some kind of notable monument along the way. And this one goes right through Loveland. So that's why it's called that. Actually kind of a cool stop. I'm going to summarize the sign for you. Basically, this site over here, you can see, was a stop along the Underground Railroad. As you know, we're near Cincinnati, which is right on the border between Ohio and Kentucky, which was a slave state before the Civil War. So kind of a cool bit of history here along the Buckeye Trail. Right here. We started in Loveland and we need to go all the way up to Caesar Creek State Park. I also have a good pun, so I was very excited to see behind me the Monkey Bar and Grill. It's very exciting. So I'm not sure, but I don't think that you're allowed to park anywhere here. So as we're hiking, we actually saw something pretty interesting through the woods across the river here. Those of you that know, there's an amusement park called Kings Island, and you can see some of the roller coasters right there through the trees. So we are coming up on something pretty cool in front of us. You can see this is an old munitions factory that was built in the 1860s. It actually supplied munitions for the Civil War. Closed down, a number of years ago and sat abandoned for a while, but they've actually repurposed it, and now it is a cartridge brewing company. So we're going to stop there and grab something to eat and probably a drink. Cheers. Okay, so we're actually just finishing up today. We did about 9 miles on the Loveland section. And we can see the parking lot where our car is at, so that's always hope that it's actually still there when we get there. But just finished up for the day. It's getting a little bit late, so we're gonna head to the grocery store, buy some stuff for tomorrow. Got a long day ahead of us tomorrow, so head back and just relax at the Airbnb until then.